How to set up recruitment. In this video, you will learn how to configure the recruitment settings. The settings found in this section relate to the way you recruit staff for your job bookings. You can set up requirements, inductions, and other prerequisites for recruitment before a staff can be accepted as a crew. Click Settings or the Admin drop-down. Then click Recruitment on the left side of the Settings page. Click Settings under Recruitment. Under Show Requirement tabs, you will see different tabs that is available under Recruitment. Untick Induction to remove this tab from the recruitment page. You may untick any of the tabs which you think is less important. Once done, click Save. Now let's check the recruitment page to see the changes. Click Contacts in central navigation bar. Then click Recruit Cards. Select the staff name. You will see that Induction tab has been removed from the Recruits page. Going back to Settings page, let's check how to configure the title text. These are the titles displayed on the different tabs of recruitment. Enter or edit the title text field for Details tab. Once done, click Save button. To check if there is any changes, go to the Recruit page and click Details tab. This will be displayed based on the settings configured in recruitment. The next settings that we will be discussing is the Recruit Activation Checklist. Go back to the Recruitment Settings page to edit or modify the settings. Enter or edit the Recruit Activation Checklist field. Then click Save button. The texts entered on the Recruit Activation Checklist will appear on the Activate tab of Recruitment. Click Activate tab. This was displayed based on the settings. The contents can be customized in the settings depending on what is needed. More texts on this field can be added depending on your requirements. Let's move to SMS content in recruitment settings. This is the setting for adding content in SMS. Any contents entered on this field will be displayed on the SMS section under Interview tab. If there is a need for additional SMS, simply click the Add SMS button. A new field will be added. Enter the title of the SMS content depending on your operational requirements. And enter the content of the SMS in the field. Click Save once done. Go to Recruit page to see what will be displayed based on the settings. Click Interview. And select SMS drop-down. Select SMS type. This was displayed based on the settings. The content in the SMS setting will be displayed in this section. We'll move forward to interview questions in recruitment settings. This is the setting for adding the interview questions. Click Add Questions to create a guide questions that will be asked to the potential crew member. You can add more interview questions if needed and depending on your requirements. A question field will be added in the lists. Enter the question. Once done, click Save button. At the bottom of Interview Questions, you will see that the question you created has been added. To check if question has been added, click Interview tabs. Check the bottom part of the interview questions. This will be displayed based on the interview questions setting that was set or configured. Next settings that we will tackle is Skills settings. Go to Recruitment Settings and click Skills to change or modify the settings. The potential crew member will then be able to select the skills that matches his qualifications by ticking on the boxes. Skills showed below are White Card, Expo Custom Stands, Expo General Labor, EWP Driver, Forklift Driver, and General. All these skills will be displayed for the potential crew member. To add more skills, click Add Skills button. A new field will be added from Skills. Enter the skills in the field. Then click Save Skills once done. Bookkeeping skill has been added in Skill Settings. This will be displayed for the potential crew member. Click Save button once done. Click Details in Recruit page to view what will be displayed. The potential crew member will have bookkeeping skills once it has been selected. Next in the recruitment settings is the medical disclaimer checkboxes. You can add medical disclaimer boxes in the recruitment tab depending on your requirement. Simply click the Add button to a medical disclaimer checkboxes. A new field will be added under medical disclaimer checkboxes. Enter the medical disclaimer. You can also make the medical disclaimer checkboxes as mandatory and required by ticking the box of Required. Once done adding medical disclaimer, click Save. The medical disclaimer will then appear to medical disclaimer checkboxes after configuring. Tick the required checkbox to make the medical disclaimer checkboxes as mandatory. Click Save button for any changes made. Under medical disclaimer checkboxes you will see that the last field was a mandatory medical disclaimer. Click Save for any changes in the settings. Click Details tab in Recruit page to view if the medical disclaimer was added. This will be displayed based on the settings configured. The next settings is Recruit Induction. Click Forms and Settings page. And click Safety Induction. Recruit Induction will allow you to create sets of questions for the recruit. You may enter or edit the details in title, subtitle, and subtitle description of Recruit Induction. Click plus icon to add question in Recruit Induction. At the bottom of the Recruit Induction, you will see that a new field was added to enter the question details. Click Save once question and answer details has been added. Or click Trash icon to delete. You may also click plus icon to add more list of answer. A new field will be added, enter additional answer. Click Save once done. A notification will prompt after saving the changes in settings. To check what will be displayed based on the settings modified, click Induction tab at Recruit page. You will see that the added text was added in subtitle description of Recruit Induction. Click Next button. You will see that additional answer was added in the Recruit Induction. The next settings is Citizenship. Click Recruitment in Settings page. Then click Citizenship. Under this setting, you can add different types of citizenship. The citizenship will be displayed as a drop-down menu in the Recruitment tab of the potential crew member. The sort number dictates on how the order of citizenship is displayed in the drop-down menu. Note that the citizenship status is configured under the Compliance settings. Click Compliance in Settings. Then click Visa Warning. To add new citizenship, click Add Field link. Enter the citizenship caption. Click Save once done. Click Recruitment to map the new citizenship caption. And click Citizenship. Select the visa in the drop-down. And select Other visa type. Click Save once done. To view what will be displayed based on the settings, click Agreements tab in Recruit page. Select Citizenship status. You will see that other type of visa has been added. The last setting that we will discuss is disclaimer checkboxes. You can add disclaimer checkboxes that will appear under the Agreements tab in Agreements section for the Recruit tab of the potential crew member. To add a disclaimer checkbox, simply click the Add button. A new field will be added under disclaimer checkboxes. Enter the disclaimer. Tick required checkbox if disclaimer is mandatory. Then click Save button. You will see that the disclaimer has been added under disclaimer checkboxes. For any changes in the settings, click Save. To check what will be displayed based on the settings, click Agreements tab in Recruit page. In Agreements, you will see that it has been added based on the modified settings. Thank you for watching. If you have further questions or concern, please send us an email at support@personnelmanager.com.au.